Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen. Today I'm doing another hike and I'm gonna take y'all with me. So today I am hiking at the Fort Worth Nature Center and Preserve. And this is my first time here, so I'm pretty excited to check this place out. So far, it's looking really beautiful. Right now I'm hiking the Canyon Ridge Trail, and this is supposed to be a 3.5 or 3.3 mile trail. So I think it's like 6 miles out and back, but I'm gonna take y'all along this hike with me. I hope y'all enjoy this video. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and enjoy. This is a really nice place to hike. I'm really enjoying it. The trail is really nice and it's mostly shaded. And the sun's not out right now, so I guess that's not that big of a deal. But it's really nice. It costs $6 to come in here, so you do have to pay a fee to hike here. But I think it's worth it. Yeah, I was not ready for those stairs. Oh man, golly, these stairs. I know, it's nice. Yeah, this place is so beautiful. I'm liking this trail. Lots of leaves everywhere. I'm sure y'all can hear it. The crunching of the leaves. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to keep up with any new videos that I post. I will see y'all on the next hike. Happy hiking!